everyone! Today we will see how to make an easy chocolate pudding. To make this chocolate pudding, take quarter cup of corn flour in a large bowl. To the corn flour, add quarter cup of cocoa powder and then add half a cup of sugar. Then add a tiny pinch of salt. Now mix all of these ingredients together and then take 2 cups of milk, add it gradually and mix this mixture without any lumps. When you've mixed it all together without any lumps, transfer it to a saucepan. Before transferring it into a saucepan, strain it. In case there are any lumps, you can remove it easily. Now place the saucepan on the stove, keep the flame at medium and start to mix this mixture. Keep stirring it till it becomes nice and thick. This will take anywhere between 5 to 7 minutes. Once it's thick, remove it from flame and let it cool down a little bit. As it's cooling down, keep stirring now and then. Otherwise, a layer of skin will form on top of this milk pudding. Then you can transfer it into dessert bowls. Now my mixture has cooled down a little bit, so I'm going to transfer it into these short glasses. You can serve these chocolate puddings slightly warm also, but preferably if you refrigerate it for 4 hours and then serve, it will be very tasty. So this is it, a very easy and simple chocolate pudding recipe is done. I'm sure all the ingredients required to make this chocolate pudding will be easily available in your kitchen. So if you have some extra milk, then you can make this chocolate pudding and refrigerate it. I'm sure your kids will love it any time of the day. Even if you have guests coming home, you can make this easy but yet tasty chocolate pudding. This is just like chocolate mousse. Instead of cream, we use the milk to make the chocolate pudding. Do try it out. Until next time, bye bye.